the type of enrichment I'll be discussing about today is more along the lines of environmental enrichment. Now this enrichment idea is really just for birds that are kept in captivity, because birds kept in captivity often form this condition called bumblefoot, or also known as podiodermatitis. Now, bumblefoot results from several contributing factors, including any existing foot deformities, being overweight, poor circulation, irritation, exposure to rough or inappropriate surfaces used for flooring or their perches, excessive moisture, poor sanitation, or too much or too little activity. So bumblefoot normally, in the early stages of it, it may initially appear as small superficial lesions, rough abrasions, or mild discoloring of the foot. However, once there is a breakdown in the skin barrier, it provides a direct opening for bacteria to enter and cause infection. Once the foot is infected, birds often show signs of behavioral changes or showing signs of lameness. If left untreated or not treated properly, the infection often becomes chronic and progressive, eventually spreading into the underlying bones, tendons, and joints, and this results in arthritis, among other conditions. So ways to prevent bumblefoot includes creating different textures of the perches. Birds use perches for many things, including socialization, exercise, sleep, grooming themselves, and just to hang out. So they're on them almost 24/7. So it's important that we have to address this factor in their environment. Birds should have a variety of perches of all different materials and strengths, and having the correct size is crucial because birds can hurt their feet or legs on perches that are too big or too small. So what I did was I took a piece of styrofoam and a phone charger, and this is going to represent the perch, and the phone charger is just going to represent either rope or any type of texture that you can use. So as you can tell, on this end, the rope is closer together and it expands throughout the rest of it. And this is going to allow different textures and grasping techniques for the bird. So this way it can help blood circulation in the foot, or it helps with different mobilities in the bird's foot, and it also works their tendons and joints, and this prevents bumblefoot. So this is what concludes environmental enrichment.